This year we're back at IFA and we're bringing a new and exciting future for radio listening. We know that 75% of new music is still discovered on radio, and with 70% of all the time on smart speakers spent listening to radio, we've combined the very best of both of the worlds to bring something new and exciting. Discover is our portable Alexa smart speaker, offering incredible sound through its 45-watt 360-degree speakers for up to 15 hours of listening. If you hear a song on the radio that you like, Music Discovery will identify the track and add it straight to your Spotify playlist. So as well as being voice controlled, Discover has got some great tactile functionality. The 4 coloured quick corners act as programmable presets, so you can record any Alexa command, be it a favourite station, a playlist, or regularly used home control. Discover is AirPlay 2 compatible, Spotify Connect, Bluetooth, and of course Alexa. So with Discover, we've inputted an enhanced privacy mode. Simply push down the speaker and the microphones disconnect physically, meaning there's no chance for Amazon or anyone to listen into your conversations.